not.
No, it might fall. Hi, guys.
I'm gonna be in your way, though. It won't fall. Mommy, it actually won't fall.
I were very, very close. She was the closest thing I had to a sister. She just loved life. Morgan was the happiest, healthiest person I could ever meet. Morgan was
Where'd all their energy go?
Oh.
Lily, let them play. Lily, back up, let them play.
This one doesn't want to play. He wants to stay over here. Me.
Exactly what happened when no one was there and no one acknowledged the evidence.
Bring him over here. Maybe Marley wants to play.
He doesn't want to. Mommy, he doesn't want to.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to go over there. I can't use right now. Let's go over this thing, okay? Watch them.
No one will ever know what happened in that room that night. But what I do know is that she didn't kill herself. That Morgan was not a suicidal person. She was not a drug abuser. She didn't really use recreational drugs whatsoever. And all we want is justice.
Who hold you right now?
He's investigating the John Benet Ramsey mystery of the Columbine mass murder. The president of the Colorado Coroners Association has scrutinized the details surrounding the death of Morgan.
Careful.
Revealed his findings next.
He's trying to get your leg. Careful.